This is one additional variation. It just basically saves one step. And the process is doing a single tack at the chin versus the double that was there before. I still keep the double tack at the bridge of the nose because it needs that, but the single underneath still achieves that closer fitting mask. In this version, I found it quite a bit more comfortable for a few reasons, but mostly because it does add just a tiny bit more room in the face there. Especially given these will usually shrink just a little bit after you put them through the washer and hot dryer, which is, I think, an important step in cleaning these. So more than likely I'll be doing quite a few more with just a single one for two reasons, saving time, and also they fit pretty well. And here's the different variation with it on. So again, you see this single tack that's there, and it still stays underneath the chin, and it's got quite a bit of room in here. This one hasn't been washed yet, so it'll tighten up just a little bit, but not too much. So again, still a good amount of room, still stays close to the face, closer up here on the bridge of the nose, and then wraps underneath the chin, but just a little bit more room than the original version.